Did your glove box in the car got stuck and you can't open it like here? Yeah, that happened to me, and there is a way to get your things out from the glove box and make it work again. So the first thing I tried, it was to hit it a little bit, pull it, press there, hit it a bit harder, and I really tried a lot of ways to hit the glove box. I was thinking the catch on it might open. Sometimes it was happening that I couldn't close it, and I was pulling this handle and it wasn't closing, but this time I was able to close it and lock it like this. When you hit it, just to be safe, make sure the key is taken out from the ignition. I'm not sure how hard you can hit this area, but there is an airbag on top of it there. So you wanna, not hit it very hard, but like how I'm doing here, I mean, nothing happened. So key should not be in the ignition, and don't hit it too hard anyway. So this, I thought I will try the side here. The side panel could be removed. There is this place where you can put a screwdriver and open it. So I just used the pen because it's what I had with me there. Eventually I took out the side panel, and here there is just a small gear mechanism to make the opening more smooth, but I cannot get to the lock of the glove box. The lock is inside. It's not great. Eventually I was able to remove the handle from the catch and open it, but I had to break it. I pulled it really so hard it just broke off. But here there is a good way to show you that you can get to your glove box, but most likely you will have to break it, or you use a very fine screwdriver under between the glove box and the handle to press this. I will show you in a moment. Now there is a small piece of plastic that you need to push so that it unlocks basically. This part of the glove box can be replaced. This is called the glove box catch, and it only grabs this pin. To remove the glove box, if you want to replace the whole thing, there are 3 screws on top, 3 screws below there. I'll show you the lower ones right now. Yeah, that's one screw. That's one screw there. There are all Torx screws, and another one, and the third one is right there. I'm not sure, there might be extra ones underneath. You will have to see, but it's just screws that will be removed and the glove box comes out. I didn't need to remove the whole glove box here. There are these 2 screws that you need to remove for the catch to come out. And once you remove those screws, you can take the whole mechanism out. When you want to open it, actually when I opened it, I used these pliers and I put it like this, and I moved it around until somehow I was able to release it to get to the things in the glove box. I mean, if this happens, you might need something that is there and you can't access it. And one way to keep the glove box closed after you remove it, you can put velcro or hook and loop. You could put the hooks and loops on these sides of the glove box, and when you close it, it will stay shut, and when you open it, you have to force it a bit, but it's I don't know, maybe I'll try to do that. Maybe I'll just order a new catch system. This is the Torx bit. It's a bit uncomfortable to use a regular screwdriver. It's better to use a ratchet tool there, but eventually I got the screws out. That's the size of the screw. And now look how, I mean, you just wiggle it a little bit until you see this coming out. Now that the whole thing is out, you can see that the glove box, it's a little scratched there, but otherwise there is no damage to it. And I did a lot of damage there. There was another piece that I broke off. There was a metal pin there. There were a few things there that I just wanted to remove them to open the glove box. Now after you remove the catch, you can really use Velcro hook and loop. Hook and loop really keeps it closed there and you can pull it. But if you find this part, it's really easy to replace it. I think the hardest deal here is to find the correct part and the color. There has to be matched the color. And that's the mechanism there. That's the thing that catches the handle on the top, and the release is this one. You see how it releases when you press it like this. So just so you know, I mean, this I'm showing you, you do it on your own car, and you should not keep valuable things in your glove box thinking that it's safe, even if it has a key to lock. If you should only do this on your own car, not someone else's car. But this is how I opened it finally, to get the glove box open. And maybe there would have been a way to open it without damaging. I think from the bottom part, from under the handle, I could have put a small screwdriver. That pin has to move downwards. It's very easy to move it upwards, but to move it lower to the lower side is more difficult. So the trick would be to go as high as possible with a thin screwdriver and then press down to open it. I'm pretty sure it would have happened somewhere in the future soon. It wasn't working as it should anyway already. And you see, this is the action to move it. And if you lift like this, you press down on that area to lift the pin, it opens it. And this is the lower bottom side view. So yeah, I guess there might be a way to open it. But okay, now this one is broken. I have to either replace it or use some Velcro. This is the part number, the code 6Q0857131D. This is what you would need to search for to find the exact part that is for your car. This is if you have a Volkswagen Polo 9N Mk4, I believe that's how it's called. For other models, other brands, your part number will be different probably, so you have to really you have to take it out and check for yourself what's the part number for your car. I hope this video helps someone, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about the glove box in the Volkswagen Polo. It's not an exciting thing, but it's really frustrating when you see that the glove box is locked and you need something that's inside there. Usually there is something important in there and you need to access it and get it out, and usually these things happen the worst time. I didn't really need anything from the glove box this time. I'm glad I didn't really need something now, but I wanted it to be opened so I can get the part number and replace it. If you want to see the video of how to replace this or how to use Velcro on it, depends on which one I do eventually, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one and other interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.